Gold was falling on fear of rate hike. Because of that, it tried making a new lower low last week, but you can see on 4500 psychological area, which I have been telling so many times, most important support level. So many times price test, so rejection, but every time failing to break down this level. So many rejection and perfectly holding this level once again last week. When price was falling in 5 impulsive wave, when it was making last wave, 5th wave, new lower low, that was the time when Trump pivot. I think 30-year bond yield when it was trading on 5%. Everyone know that is big enough, and most important, it directly affect US economy. It heavily affect US economy. That was the time when we can say Trump panic. That is the time we can say when new Fed chair Kevin Warsh panic. So before price fall back to 4400, everyone expecting. Before price make new lower low, Trump statement came before new lower low. Now you can see perfectly holding and closing above 4500. And if you watch more clearly this H1 time frame, then this look like head and shoulder chart pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder and head. When price was making this head pattern, that was the time when Trump pivot. That was not enough. First he said on Tuesday, then again on Friday just before market closing. Kevin Warsh obviously now new Fed chair. Trump said 2 times last week, Warsh have full freedom. He can do whatever he want. Trump will not force Kevin Warsh for rate cut. That is the time when bond yield stop flying. That is the time when rate hike fear that decreasing. Market and Fed always do opposite, always work opposite direction. So more FOMC member talk about hike, more they talk about rate pause because of inflation fear. More market will do opposite, it will price in cut. You can see Trump just said Warsh is free, he can do whatever he want, and immediately gold stop falling. If this upper trend line, this possible head and shoulder chart pattern, if neckline breakout, that will confirm bottom, that will confirm reversal. In case of breakout, because I say this wave counting before reversal, before Trump official statement, and price perfectly holding off 4500 area. In case of neckline breakout upside 4660, that will be first and nearest resistance. Once upper trend line, this neckline breakout, price start retesting 4660 once again, that will confirm reversal is happening. And once 4660 area breakout, that will confirm market is moving from hike into cut. Just look on weekly time frame. You can see big rejection zone. Once again, price try falling below 4500. You can see tail, you can see closing, all of them above 4500. So weekly candlestick once again confirm market showing rejection. Seller are weak, buyer are strong below 4500. Which can be first impulsive wave W, counter trend correction X, exactly 50% retracement. Not just one, you can see 4 candlestick, all of them are showing rejection near 50% retracement. Static horizontal support 4500. And before final low, Trump officially pivot, he confirmed he will not place a new Fed for a cut. If correction is over, after new Fed chair killer confirmation, now he is Fed chair. 2 statement by Trump. Next impulsive wave can do total range breakout, because right now this is the time when market is pricing for 1 hike, and before Iran war, market was pricing for 2 cuts. So first hike will price out, then those 2 cut will price in again, and slowly gold will explode. I think that will be during September FOMC meeting timing, but after Trump official statement, clear confirmation, I don't think you need this week PCE number, you need this week GDP number. I don't think you need to wait till FOMC meeting. Trump is so much big, so much powerful, he control everything. Even anti-Iran war is controlled by Trump. So he can do anything. In case of war, you know, Russia-Ukraine war 2022 is still happening. So same like that, war start but never end. So we have tail, we have closing, clear rejection below 4500. That is technical. We have fundamental confirmation. 2 official confirmation by Trump. If you missed it, then read all the news side. And technical and fundamental first time once again working perfectly and holding 4500. I think slowly it will go up. More it close of 4500, more we have green closing, more good for gold. So if you see price level summary, then 4500 most important support level. Near this area trade with bullish bias, because we are moving from hike to two cut this year, where market was trading before Iran war, and there is no resistance before 4850 on weekly time frame. But when you go on H4 time frame, then 4500 again is support level. But you go one step lower, H1 time frame, then 4660 again a resistance somewhere in the middle, this weekly time frame sideway range. Once that level breakout, bottom will confirm, correction over, impulsive wave Y is coming. I think clear closing by weekly candlestick, full technical and official confirmation by Trump, not one but two times. Closing after that statement confirm, I think correction is over, new impulsive wave coming soon. If you see monthly time frame, something special. This is last week of May month, and before that we have official Trump confirmation. You can ignore all the economic indicator, not just this week, upcoming all the economic indicator. Till FOMC meeting we have confirmation. After FOMC new dot plot, we will decide how much cut this week market price, how much cut this year will happen, because previously we were expecting two cuts. After dot plot we will decide two or maybe more than two. But you can see and see all the resistance and support level. 4660, it is visible on monthly time frame, it is visible on H1 time frame. You can see candlestick is red, but before closing we have fundamental confirmation trigger. Candle can close green, it can close off 4660, because I think once this week over, once June month start, nobody going to wait for FOMC meeting. Buying wave flood is coming. More candlestick close green, more it close above 4500 to 4660, more buyer will attract. Just look at daily time frame. Last 7 months gold is sideways, everyone waiting for confirmation either by Trump or Fed, and Trump confirmation is enough. I think this is impulsive wave W, that was counter trend correction AVC zigzag, and perfectly holding, showing rejection on 50% retracement. Third time, entire week trying breaking but no breakout, not even tested 61% retracement 4400. So 4500 most important support level, maybe price making double bottom, and neckline around 4750. Once it break out, neckline retest, new range high. So more it recover toward 4750, more good for gold. But I think double bottom pattern on daily time frame, it is coming. So this is your pricing for hike, one hike this year, and this is your pricing for two cuts this year. Similar pattern on intraday H4, impulsive wave, counter trend correction, so many rejection, all failed, price fall in 5 impulsive wave. Just on final 5th wave before new lower low, that was the time when Trump pivot. Now you can see technical confirmation of Trump official statement. So 4500 support, possible head and shoulder chart pattern, left shoulder, right shoulder, neckline breakout coming soon. And once it break out next, or you can say first resistance 4660, and after that daily time frame double bottom pattern will active, that will be near 4750. But I think you should be trading with bullish bias near 4500 area. One by one these trend line, and ultimately last 4750, all of this level will break out. So that was your wave counting before reversal last week. Reversal happening, verified by news, and your new chart pattern head and shoulder. So Monday open till Friday closing, I think high chance price breakout, and it can easily recover up to 4660 this week. And I think after Trump confirmation, market will ignore economic indicator. And timing part, I think it can stay up till June FOMC meeting. That's mean entire next month it can stay up. So more FOMC member talk about hike, pause. Trump already saying he giving full freedom to warsh to do anything. More market will price in for cut.